In this chapter we'll discuss about what are layers in blockchain. Blockchain technology is often divided into different layers, each of which serves a specific function in the overall blockchain ecosystem. Here is an explanation of each layer along with some examples. Layer 1. This is the foundational layer of the blockchain, consisting of the underlying blockchain protocol itself. Examples of Layer 1 protocols include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These protocols define the rules for transaction validation and block creation and provide the underlying security and trust necessary for a blockchain to function. Layer 2. This layer is built on top of Layer 1 and consists of additional protocols or mechanisms that help improve the scalability, security, and functionality of the blockchain. Examples of Layer 2 solutions include payment channels, sidechains, and state channels. Payment channels allow for off-chain transactions between parties, reducing the load on the blockchain's Layer 1. Sidechains allow for interoperability between different blockchains, while state channels allow for the creation of more complex smart contracts. Layer 3. This layer is built on top of Layer 2 and represents the applications or services that utilize the blockchain's infrastructure. Examples of Layer 3 applications include decentralized exchanges, DEXs, non-fungible token, NFT, marketplaces, and prediction markets. DEXs allow for the trading of cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized exchange, while NFT marketplaces allow for the buying and selling of unique digital assets. Prediction markets allow for the creation of decentralized prediction markets where users can bet on the outcome of future events. It's worth noting that the layer system is not standardized, and different experts or organizations may use different layer numbers or naming conventions. However, the general idea is that the layers build upon each other, with each layer adding additional features and functionalities to the underlying blockchain technology.